Hi, my name's Mike. I got the OmniShaver about a couple weeks ago. I shave about roughly every couple days. This one I did for the video. I did about a 3-day hair growth. As you can see, I have a little bit, not too much on the sides. Hair doesn't grow that much as I got a little bit balder. But here's the Omni speed shave test. Normally it takes me about 10-15 minutes to shave my head, but here goes, and this is how easy it is. Okay, here goes. Start the clock now. Not that hard. It's very easy. Probably one of the best, easiest shavers you can ever use to shave your head. Definitely a shaver I'll be using for a long time. So that was about it. You can stop the clock. So it's easy. It's always down to the head. Never cut myself, very easy. And as you can see, it is an awesome shave. So this is my speed test video. Awesome product. John does a great job with the speed shaver. Omni speed shaver, probably one of the best, is the best shaver out on the market. Grab one when it's available. Thank you very much, John, for making a great product. Thanks.